Hello everyone, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement Private Limited. In this video tutorial, I will show you some key steps that how we have built cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard version 2.0 in May 2021. So previously we have made the first version of cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard in Microsoft Excel. And we have put this template on CFI website, CFI marketplace, and also on eloquence.com. We have also uploaded the short tutorial on this version 1 of cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard. So a lot of users have already downloaded this template, and they have liked the features and the key indicators of maintaining their portfolio dashboard on cryptocurrencies. We have got a lot of suggestions, and we have came now with a newly improved version, that is the second version of this cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard, and we have improved a lot. So in the previous version of this cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard, let me get through it very quickly, and let me tell you that what kind of issues we have minimized or erased from that entire template, and why the second version of cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard is very much improved, and you need to purchase it in order to basically monitor and get and do some good decision makings in investing your cryptocurrencies. So in the first version which we launch is also one of the best version, but definitely there are some limitations. So how we were getting the data into this version 1 is basically from a sheet. We have created a sheet that is called crypto data, and we were using the data types, which is the stocks. Okay, and we have just limited coins available like Bitcoin and Ripple or Litecoin, and we get their prices as well, their high and low prices, and the change as well. And on this particular numbers we have made the dashboard. Okay, so all those numbers, the particular columns which you are seeing, that invested, current value, profit and loss, percentage of ROI, 24 hours of change, the current price of that particular cryptocurrency, and you want to calculate daily ROI, was basically the base of the data types from the data tab, right? And from this particular information, although it's just coming up with one click, you just need to click on refresh and the prices will get updated automatically. So you don't need to go to website and just copy from there and manually paste on the dashboard or a data sheet, but it's just on one click. But the problem was that it was coming from the data types where there is a disclaimer from the Microsoft is that the financial market information is provided as is and not for professional or trading purposes or advice. So some of the users, or you can say template users, send us some suggestions that why not to bring the data from the one of the real live website. And so in this version 2, what we have done is that we have eliminated that bringing the data from this stocks data types. What now we have done is we are bringing the cryptocurrencies data from COINGECKO. So as cryptocurrency audience knows that this is one of the most popular website and the most common website to access the cryptocurrencies prices. So what we did is we have used the Power Query basically. So in the newer versions we have just importing the data from a URL, and on this first page, which shows around almost 100 top cryptocurrencies according to their market capitalization. So we have bought these first 100 cryptocurrencies into our Excel sheet. So most commonly people buy in top 3, top 5 or top 10 currencies, right? So in this particular version 2 template, you will find this live cryptocurrencies prices into the Microsoft Excel, right? So first we have overcome this challenge. And then we have also improved some utilities, like we have added some more raws into our dashboard, so that if a person is investing in more than 5 types of cryptocurrency, so he can add that later on. We have also make sure that the charts should be look more appropriate, and also we have added some more new look to the version 2 dashboard. So without wasting further time, this was the version 1. Although it's quite easy and useful for the cryptocurrency holders, but as you know that every time I have a best practice that I should improve my templates and bring something new and value added things for the community. So we are done with the version 2. So this is version 1 of cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard, and here it is, the second version, newly improved. So first you can write your name here. This is simply a text box. You can just click on that and you can edit my name and write your name, so that you can know that this is your cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard. So in the quick summary part, we have first moved that KPIs on top rather than the table first. So we have 5 KPIs, important KPIs: acquisition cost, profit and loss, how much we have hold so far, 24 hours change overall, and then total ROI overall. Then in this particular improved version, we have highlighted 2 columns that are quantity and date of purchase. So this needs to be changed manually by the user. These 2 highlighted light blue color columns, which are the quantity and date of purchase, needs to be input as hard-coded value by a user, so that the current value should be updated. Okay. There are almost 10 one of the most, you can say, famous cryptocurrencies I have added here. You can add more than 10 as well. You can just insert a new raw here and just copy and paste all the logics which are on the above raw. Okay, and it will work. Now the best part was that we have bring the data from a real-time live website, which is the CoinMarketCap, and you will find that particular sheet here in this particular newly version 2. The sheet name is CoinMarketCap. So now you can see here this is being coming real-time live, so you don't need to copy and paste, and whatever is on the website, definitely you can take decisions on a real-time basis. So you can see there are almost 100 top cryptocurrencies are coming according to the volumes. Now the data was not coming straightforward, so what I have done so far is if you want to, if you have the idea of using Power Query, so you can do that later on with the template as well. So when you go to the data tab, right, and just right click on table 0, that is the name of the table. You can also rename the table if you want to. So you can just right click and click on edit, so it will open a new window for you, that is Power Query editor, where you can do all the transformation with the data which is coming from the website coinmarketcap.com. So here is the preview, and on the right side you can see all the applied steps which I have applied here to get the data and easily. Okay, and let me just close this window. Right, so I have applied some transformation tips and tricks to get this clean data, so that I can use this into my working sheet and also into the dashboard. Right, so now what happens is that this data is basically coming from this website coinmarketcap.com, right? And after every 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever the time period you like, you just need to go to the data tab in Excel. I'm using a Windows version, desktop version of Excel, remember that. And I will go to the data tab and I will click on refresh, and as soon as I click on refresh, the prices will get changed. This means that the prices will get updated, so this entire table will get updated. Okay, so let me give you a live demonstration as well. So now you are able to see the prices. So let me just press the refresh, and in next few seconds it will take around you can say 15 to 30 seconds. So now when I click on this refresh button on the bottom, you can see running background query. Right, so it's running a background query, and Power Query will transform and it will give the update data. So now focus on the prices, it will change. Alright, so now you can observe that the numbers has been successfully being updated, right? And your dashboard as well. So you need to focus that you need to change the quantity. You can see that quantity of each of the cryptocurrency on your wallet. So if you are a user of exchange of a Binance, so you can see on your application or from the web that what is the current quantity in your particular cryptocurrency in your wallet. So you need to update this column so that the current value should get updated and all the other columns should get updated properly. These are the text boxes. These are designed as in different color formats, and these are basically linked with the cells of sheet workings. So we have done some workings, like we have calculated the acquisition cost, profit and loss, holdings. So these are simple Excel functions we have used, like sum function. Most profitable cryptocurrency in our portfolio is the basically Bitcoin, and we have used index and match function. So for example, if you increase the number of cryptocurrencies in your this particular dashboard, so you need to update the function here. So instead of 25 it will be 26 and so on. So make sure that you update your Excel functions from here. Okay, so this is a one-time activity whenever you do something incremental increase of the currency. Okay, then we have calculated the 24 hours percentage change, which is the average function, and then total ROI, which is the profit and loss divided by the acquisition cost. Okay, and we have linked all these KPI numbers to our this particular boxes, right? And these are very easy. The current value is being calculated like the quantity is being multiplied by that particular cryptocurrency coin, and we have used here as well index and match function. So technically it is just looking that particular crypto, which is the Bitcoin here, from this crypto market cap worksheet, and the price is being determined, looked up there, and it is being multiplied with the quantity. Profit and loss is the simple formula, which is the current value minus the invested. So we know that we from the 10th March 2021 and so far today is the 11th May 2021, we have invested this much into the multiple cryptocurrencies, and we have made our portfolio, and according to our investment we have this particular current value, right? The ROI is also calculated. It's a very simple formula here. The profit and loss is being divided by the investment we have done so far. 24 hours change is directly coming from the coin market cap worksheet. We have used index and match function here. The current price is also coming with the same function, index and match, from coin market cap, and daily ROI is being calculated. It's a very simple formula. The percentage of ROI is being divided by the number of days difference from the date of purchase till today, right? So this is how these columns have been explained to you. I hope that when you create your portfolio, so you will be able to analyze it well. Then we have 4 different visualizations. The first one is acquisition cost with profit and loss. So we need to see that how much we have invested and how much profit has been made so far in different kind of cryptocurrencies. I have just excluded the Bitcoin here because when I put Bitcoin, so it's basically the amount of Bitcoin is very much higher as compared to the other cryptocurrencies. So I have excluded that so I can compare it easily, and the other cryptocurrencies should be visible in my this particular column chart. If you want to add the Bitcoin as well, so what you can do is right click, go to select data, and then click on this edit button and revise the ranges. So you can add the Bitcoin from here. Okay, and also you need to revise the ranges of invested in dollars and profit and loss in dollars as well from here, right? Okay, coming to the next visual, we have the ROI percentage visual, in which we have which we can see easily that which is the highest ROI cryptocurrency is in our case it's a Litecoin, and which one is very much the lowest performer. So it's a Dogecoin, minus 50.7. Rest of them are in between, right? So this is a very easy chart. If you want to change something from this ROI chart, so there are two helper columns are there. Basically these two helper columns are made for the additional working of highlighting the red and the green one, so that you can easily find out in very few seconds that what is which cryptocurrency is the highest performer and lowest performer. So this is a very easy formula for an Excel user. If in case if you add more cryptocurrencies here in your dashboard, so you need to revise these ranges, whereas if you go for top 10, so you don't need to do anything. So for the meantime I am hiding these columns, so you can unhide later on as well, so that it should not be in the printing area. Okay, next we have one more visualization, which is the tree map visualization. You can see here this particular chart shows you current value with quantity purchased. Okay, so we can see that Bitcoin is on first, Ethereum, then we have the XRP as well, Binance coin as well, and the other coins as well, right? The most profitable coin so far is the Bitcoin, which is giving a 65% of ROI, and least profitable is Polkadot, and in this case, okay, which is the minus 40%, right? So basically this ROI and the statistics coming in this ROI is basically different. So basically, if you can see the difference here in this ROI percentage chart, the Dogecoin is basically the most lowest. So we can see that because this chart is being based on this particular ROI column, whereas this particular least profitable Polkadot is coming with negative 40%, is because we have determined the value based on this particular column, profit and loss column. So if you can see that the highest loss in terms of amount is being given by the Polkadot rather than the Dogecoin, whereas if we see the percentage of ROI, it's a different decision, right? So you need to consider that as well. There is one more sheet which has been added. This is another sheet which you can maintain on daily basis, and further what you can do is you can select this data and play with the some smart tools, like you can create a pivot table and you can just analyze as the way you like. It's a very simple table which you can maintain on daily basis. Like you need to insert a date. This is a function, text function, which drives the day, then the name of the crypto, and then the investment you have made on that particular day, or you can just carry that. Okay, so you can change the date. If you have not made any a kind of addition or deletion, so you don't need to do anything. If there is an addition or deletion in terms of investment or increase or decrease, so you can just add that particular number, either a positive or a negative. It will convert automatically into an PKR, because I have an additional column of dollar rate converted into PKR, right? So in whatever the country you are in, so you can convert that into your own respective currency. So I have converted that into a PKR, and here it's a small summary which tells me that I have so far 3 crypto, and the total investment so far has been done, or you can say plus minus has been done so far this. So there are $51 which is a conversion and into PKR, and it's 7,765, right? So it's not very much technical table, but you need to maintain it daily. If anything goes in and goes out with respect to that particular crypto, so you can maintain that. And if you are a good Excel user, so you can just select that and create a pivot table, and you can further go with the analytics, right? So I have added this table which is called historical data, so you can add more columns to it as you like. So there is no such kind of restriction here in this sheet, right? So I hope you like this, and the automation part is that this entire data of top 100 cryptocurrencies are directly coming from the coin market cap, which most of the users demanded in our newer version. So we have implemented that with the help of Power Query, and this is now much needed and improve layout and the version of our dashboard, which is called the cryptocurrency portfolio dashboard. We are selling this template with an introductory small price in the month of May, but in the month of June and onwards we will be raise this price of this template. So make sure that you purchase as early as possible. Or a Facebook page, that is Excel Basement Private Limited, and our YouTube channel as well, which is Excel Basement. So I hope you will purchase this template and make sure that you do some good decision making in terms of your investing your precious money into the cryptocurrency, and wish you all the very best. Thank you so much.